Welcome to my channel. My name is Zvangu. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Today we are going to look at this Shona Proverb. Ndamba Kuudzwa, Akaonekwa Nembonje Pamhanza. And this Shona Proverb is similar to Zanondega, Akasiya Jira Mumasese. What does this proverb mean? What this proverb means, it's just merely talking about a person who doesn't listen to advice, who ends up in a worse situation or in a regrettable situation, maybe in hot soup or in big trouble, and people would maybe look back at him and say, look, we told you so. So I'm going to give you an example, a real life experience, so that you get a clear or a vivid picture of what this proverb means. Before I do that, I just want to give you a gentle reminder to subscribe. And to my subscribers, I just want to say a big thank you. James lived with his parents in Mondoro, and he attended Neuso Secondary School. His parents sat him down before he started school, and they were explaining to him about the importance of laying a good foundation for his career by remaining focused. They discouraged him from having bad friends and to concentrate on his subjects. His mother emphasized that girls will always be there and there's time for everything. James went to school and everything was going very well during the first year. The following year, he started having friends, but these were not good friends, despite what his father had told him. And these friends were really bad influence. They would bunk lessons and stay behind at Nelson Township after school, drinking. His parents did not notice anything because James was an expert liar. There was an excuse for everything. When he came late, he had a very convincing excuse. At school, he continued to absent himself from lessons he deemed boring, and he hanged out with girls. Then exams time came. James said his exams just like everybody else, but he got the shock of his life by getting U grades throughout. It's an unfortunate situation when someone doesn't listen to advice and end up facing such a situation. In this scenario, James' choice to spend time with bad company and staying up at the township, drinking and banking lessons and hanging out with girls led him to getting poor results. So this situation highlights the importance of parental guidance and the impact that peer influence can have on young individuals. So it's crucial for parents to communicate openly with their children about the potential consequences of their actions and the importance of making responsible choices, which James's parents did very well. So this is where we can apply this Shona Proverb, Ndamba Kuudzwa, Akaonekwa Nembonje Pamhanza, because his parents sat him down, they gave him advice, and there was no way they could know what was happening on the ground at school. It was up to him to decide whether to listen or not, and he chose not to listen, and he ended up in that situation he was in. So that's the story to explain this proverb we are looking at today. Ndamba Kuudzwa, Akaonekwa Nembonje Pamhanza. Please leave comments below and let me know what you think. Thank you for listening.